Hey everyone, Preston Clark here, CEO and co-founder of SimpleDocs. I hope you're having a great summer. We've been incredibly busy since launching SimpleAI just a few months ago. It has now become our definitive flagship product. We're supporting hundreds of customers around the world, from mid-sized law firms in Japan and in-house teams in the Middle East, to large public companies in North America and hyper-growth unicorns in San Francisco. It's been an amazing journey, catching this legal AI wave, exceeding customer expectations, and watching adoption and usage grow faster than we could have ever imagined. And yes, of course, we're just getting started. The main purpose of this video is to give you our summer update. Let's dive into it. We'll touch briefly on what's new with SimpleAI, but the big headline today is the beta release of the SimpleAI Repository. If you're already a SimpleDocs customer in any capacity and want to try the repository while it's in beta, just reach out. We'll get it turned on for you. This is a next generation AI-powered contract database. It brings advanced document analysis to your active contracts, making it easier than ever to search, organize, and extract insights at scale. The next time your CEO or CFO says, "Hey, can you pull every agreement with a non-assignment clause?" What used to be a 2-week project becomes a 30-second task. Before I jump into a live demo, let me give you an overview of the roadmap. The SimpleAI repository, we have search across every contract instantly. This means if you're using SimpleDocs as your repository, you can do natural language search for any set of questions that you may have. It could be relating to a specific transaction, upcoming renewals, whatever it may be. Custom shareable tables in seconds. This is about creating work product from your research, turning large data sets, whittled down to maybe a handful, and then turning those into tables that can be shared back with the rest of the organization. AI-powered versioning tracking. SimpleAI now integrates with our Word add-in. I'm going to show you what this looks like today. It is very cool. Bulk upload powered by AI. This is coming. It's in beta now, but it's fully releasing in August. This is about you leading your own projects, taking 10 documents, 100 documents, 500 documents at a time, uploading them and watching the AI process them, create structure and organization, and of course allows you to use the rest of the AI capabilities from a search perspective. This is the repository. I'm going to walk you through it in just a moment. The SimpleAI Word add-in, I'm not going to demo this for you today. If you already have this tool, I encourage you to test these new capabilities out, but here is what's coming. The template builder, for many of you, it's been turned on already. For others, it will be turned on in the next couple of weeks. This allows you to turn your routine templates into automations, accelerating the work from draft to final. You're going to love this tool. If it's not turned on for you, send us a note and we'll make sure that it gets turned on. Advanced playbook fallbacks. This is one of our most heavily requested features with the Word add-in. This will allow you within your playbooks to have 2, 3, up to 4 different fallback positions for each issue. Very excited about this. It's already live for some of our customers. It's coming to the rest of you in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Formatting and reference handling. We're already okay at this, but we have some room to cover. So we have a new version of formatting and reference handling coming in August that we'll be demoing and presenting once that is live, as well as the clause library where you can begin to manually build and store your own library of documents. So instead of using the AI to generate drafts, you can have your own library that you pull from indemnification to warranties to whatever it may be. That is the recap. We'll pause there. Let's cut over to the tool and start looking at the SimpleAI repository. Okay. This is probably a familiar view to many of you. I am in the repository view of SimpleDocs. I can always use the smart filters to do a legacy filtering, contract type, expiration date, etc. But this is more consistent with legacy repository functionality, which is tag based. If I don't have it, if it wasn't tagged coming in, I can't do a search for it on the way out. With the introduction of AI, what it allows us to do is, irrespective of whether or not something is tagged, I can now search using natural language. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to clear my chat. You will see it down at the bottom here. There are actions. We will be adding more and more actions in the weeks and months to come. Right now I have AI filter, AI query, and AI column. I'm going to start with AI column. What this means, I'm going to use non-assignment as an example, is I'm going to search and say, show me all agreements with a non-assignment clause. Forgive my misspelling on that. It is going to immediately build a table for me showing all of those. And most importantly, it's going to give me the call to action to generate a column. When I do that, I'm going to press this in just a second. Keep an eye on what's going to happen here on the left. Okay, let me click generate column. It immediately goes into building, and now that table has been built. I'm going to click out of the AI view, and you'll see this completed. You see a new column has been added, referring to as non-assignment. And within the next couple of seconds, it will have completed the project. And now I can share this internally. Now we have advanced rules and rights in terms of who can share what. So this doesn't expose your data unnecessarily. This would need to be something that you have enabled general counsel to CEO, general counsel to CFO, etc. This does allow for you to build projects, whittle down specific documents, and then send those out to stakeholders as needed. You can save different queries that you might have run in the past, so that if you have a frequency of doing research, show me all agreements that are expiring this month, whatever that may be, and then you'll have the ability, of course, to export and share these as needed. Okay, let's look at a couple more things here. Within the tool itself, within the repository, you do also just have the ability to conduct inquiries. In this case, I was building a table, but you don't always need to do that. I can also just do quick insights and say, show me any agreements coming up for expiration this month. Let's see what it does. It's going to give me a list. And of course, because this is integrated with the repository, I can click on these items. It'll take me to the specific document. I can see if there's an alert set up. I can see the metadata and history of the agreement, the negotiation history, etc. So it's still a wonderfully powerful repository in its own right. This functionality already existed here, but the added ability to use natural language, AI-driven search to find these agreements, click through, identify them, accelerates your ability to query a database that obviously you're going to be interfacing with on a regular basis based on the needs of the business. Okay. That is it. That is the SimpleAI repository. Those are the core features. Encourage you to test it out. If you'd like access to it, please let me know and we'll turn it on for you. Contact your customer success leader or email me directly, Preston@SimpleDocs.com. That's it. Have a great rest of your summer. Look out for more updates in the coming weeks.